Hello everyone. Today I want to share something very helpful with you. We will talk about how to think and speak in simple English. Many people want to speak English but they feel shy or they feel it is too hard. But I want to tell you, it is not hard if you do it in a simple way. When you think in simple English, you will speak in simple English too, and that will make it easy for you. So today, let's learn how you can start thinking and speaking in simple English every day. First, let's talk about thinking in English. Maybe right now you think in your own language. That is okay. Many people do that. But when you think in your language and then try to translate it to English, it takes time. And sometimes you forget words. Sometimes you feel confused. That is why thinking in English is very important. When you think in English, you do not need to translate. Your brain gives you the English words quickly. So, try this simple way. When you see something, say its name in English in your head. For example, when you see a tree, say tree in your mind. When you see the sun, say sun. When you eat an apple, think apple. This is an easy way to start thinking in English. Do this every day, many times a day. Slowly, your brain will get used to it, and soon you will start thinking in English without trying hard. Now let's talk about how to speak in simple English. When you want to speak, do not try to make a big or difficult sentence. Start with small and easy sentences. Simple sentences are good. They are easy to say. They are easy to understand. For example, say, I am happy. Say, it is hot today. Say, I like tea. These sentences are simple. They are clear. When you speak in simple English, people understand you. You feel good, you feel strong, and when you feel good, you want to speak more. That is how you get better. So, remember, simple English is good English. Do not try to use big words. Do not try to make long sentences. Small sentences are your friends. Use them every day. Another good way is to practice small questions. Small questions help you speak easily. For example, say, what is this? Say, where are you from? Say, how old are you? These are small questions. You can ask these questions when you talk to people. And when you ask small questions, you will get small answers. That will help you understand. It will help you talk more. I remember when I was learning English, I only asked small questions. I asked, what is your name? I asked, do you like music? And people answered me. I felt happy. I felt strong. So, ask small questions. They help you speak in simple English. Let me give you another idea. When you want to say something, but you do not know a word, do not stop. Use another simple word. For example, maybe you do not know the word delicious. That is okay. You can say good or very nice. People will understand you. Maybe you do not know how to say beautiful. That is okay too. You can say pretty or nice. There are many simple words you can use, and when you use simple words, you can speak more. You do not feel afraid. You feel strong. So always try to use easy words. Simple words are powerful. Simple words help you speak more. Also, it is a good idea to practice speaking in front of a mirror. When you do this, you can see yourself. You can hear your words. You can check if your words are simple. Stand in front of a mirror. Say small sentences. Say, my name is Ali. Say, I am from Pakistan. Say, I like football. When you do this every day, you will feel happy. You will feel confident, and your English will get better and better. Another tip is to talk to yourself in English when you are alone. This is a very good way to practice. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say, good morning to yourself. When you make tea, say, I am making tea. When you go outside, say, it is sunny today. These small sentences help you think and speak in English. They help you practice every day, and they make your English simple and strong. So, friends, remember, think in English. Think of small words. Think of small sentences. And then speak in simple English. Speak small sentences. Use small words. Speak every day. Do not feel afraid. Do not feel shy. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn. The more you think and speak in simple English, the better you will get. Every small step is important. Every small word you speak is good. So, let's start today. Let's think in simple English. Let's speak in simple English. And let's enjoy learning together. Chapter 2. How to make your English thinking easy every day. Now let's continue. In the last chapter, we talked about thinking in simple English and speaking in simple English. We talked about small sentences and small words. We talked about not feeling afraid and not feeling shy. Now, I want to help you learn how to make your English thinking easy every day. You see, when you think in simple English every day, it becomes normal. It becomes part of your life. And when it becomes part of your life, you will speak English more easily. First, I want to tell you something simple. When you wake up in the morning, try to say one sentence in English. Just one. It can be very small. You can say, "Good morning," or you can say, "Today is a good day," or you can say, "I am happy today." When you start your day with English, your brain starts thinking in English. It is like telling your brain, "Let's think in English now." This small habit helps a lot. It makes your English thinking easy. Every morning, start with one small English sentence. Slowly, you will start thinking in English without trying. Next, let's talk about seeing English everywhere. When you see English everywhere, your mind starts to think in English without effort. How can you see English everywhere? It is easy. You can write small English words and put them in your room. You can write door and put it on your door. You can write mirror and put it on your mirror. You can write bed and put it on your bed. When you see these small words every day, you will remember them. You will think of them when you see the things. And slowly, you will think in English all the time. I did this when I was learning. I put small papers with English words on many things in my house. I looked at them every day. Soon, I could think of the English word without seeing the paper. This is a simple and good way. Another good idea is to ask yourself small questions in English. When you see something, ask yourself, "What is this?" Then answer in English. For example, you see a cup. You ask yourself, "What is this?" Then you say, "It is a cup." You see a car. You ask, "What is this?" Then you say, "It is a car." This is a fun and easy way. It helps your brain think in English. It helps you speak in simple English too. I used to do this when I was learning. I asked small questions. I gave small answers. It helped me think and speak in simple English every day. Now I want to share another tip. Try to count in English. When you walk, count your steps in English. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you climb stairs, count in English. When you put things in a bag, count in English. Counting in English helps your brain stay in English. It is easy. It is simple. And it helps a lot. I used to count in English every day. I counted my steps. I counted my books. I counted everything I could. This small thing helped my brain think in English. Also, when you do small things, tell yourself in English what you are doing. For example, when you drink water, say, "I am drinking water." When you open the window, say, "I am opening the window." When you read a book, say, "I am reading a book." These small sentences are easy. They help you think in English. They help you speak in English. And the best part is, you can do this every day. You do not need a teacher. You do not need a class. You can do it at home. You can do it anywhere. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. Another good way to make English thinking easy is to listen to simple English. Listen to short English sentences. Listen to easy stories. Listen to easy songs. When you listen to easy English, your brain understands it fast. And when your brain understands it fast, you start thinking in English. You do not need to stop and think, "What does this mean?" You just understand. That makes your English thinking simple. When I was learning, I listened to easy English every day. I listened to short stories. I listened to easy songs. It helped me think in English faster. And here is one more idea for you. Try to smile when you think and speak in English. When you smile, you feel happy. When you feel happy, you feel strong. When you feel strong, your brain works better. You remember words better. You speak better. I always smiled when I was learning English. I said small English sentences and smiled. I thought small English thoughts and smiled. It made my English thinking easy. It made my English speaking easy. So, try it. Smile and speak simple English. Smile and think simple English. So, my friends, today we learned many easy ways. Say a small English sentence in the morning. Put small English words in your room. Ask yourself small questions. Count in English. Say what you do in English. Listen to simple English. And smile when you think and speak. These small things will help you.